everyone, are you ready to change your hair care routine this season? Because I have got some amazing hair care products that are literally going to change your hair care routine this season. So if you want to know what those products are, then please keep on watching. Let's go! To start off with a little background about my hair. Now if you know anything about me, मैंने काफ़ी weight loss and weight gain किया है, and in the result and process of it all, मेरे बालों के ऊपर extremely ज़्यादा stress आया है. But with that being said, number one thing very important is आपका diet. आप क्या खाते हो बहुत ज़रूरी है and बहुत important है. But with that being said, I have got these some products which blew my mind, bro. Like it literally blew my mind away when I tried them in conjunction with each other and I could not gatekeep. मुझे आपको बताना ही था इसके बारे में. First up on the list is obviously how you take care of your scalp. Now personally, my scalp is really dry and itchy and flaky at times, and obviously winter season tha, so that was not helping my scalp situation. There are a lot of things that I do for my scalp. Let me know अगर आपको एक separate scalp routine video चाहिए मेरे end से. But something that I've genuinely used and absolutely loved is this is the keshpallav handmade oil. If you don't know about this, I don't know आप कौन से rock के अंदर सो रहे हो, because this has gone viral everywhere. This brand that came in Shark Tank, wherein an old uncle has cooked up his own recipe wherein he assures 100% hair growth, and honestly uncle, hands down मैंने आपको मान लिया. ये तेल बढ़िया है, genuinely काम करता है, and I absolutely enjoyed it. And it's one of those oils you guys जिसको आपको 2-3 बार शैम्पू करके धोना नहीं पड़ता. एक शैम्पू में ये आराम से निकल जाता है. It does have a Ayurvedic smell, but it honestly मुझे doesn't bother. At the same time, I will tell you, it does not even last पूरा रात. When you apply it, it's there for like 2-3 minutes and उसके बाद वो smell निकल जाता है. So if you can ignore that smell element, I genuinely think you should give this oil a try. I have personally seen amazing results. हमारे घर पे अब सब कोई यही तेल यूज करता है. It's very affordable. आपको इतनी अच्छी बॉटल, this is like a 3rd, 4th, 5th bottle. I genuinely don't know because हम सब यूज करते हैं, तो हमारे लिए महीने में एक ही बॉटल आ ही जाती है घर पे. As you can see, even this bottle we've already started using, and you get 100 ml of product at 650 rupees. I believe Amazon पे तो आपको और अच्छा कुछ डिस्काउंट भी मिल ही जाएगा. But now while we are on the subject of scalp, obviously एक और product का I have to mention and give credits when it comes to regrowth of hair and just good scalp hair in general, and that you guys is the Wishcare hair growth serum. Oh my god, mind-blowing product, like चुम्मेश्वरी, kiss proof. Genuinely अच्छे से काम करता है. You just need few spritz of it wherever you have bald spots. For me personally, it's this particular area, but genuinely like you can see काफी बाल आ रहे हैं, and I have significantly seen amazing results with the Wishcare hair growth serum. So definitely indulge and invest into a hair growth serums. They actually do work, and you don't have to worry about washing your hair every time you use it, because it's, at least with the Wishcare one, it's a very light formula, so it's almost like watery, तो आपको बिल्कुल भी greasy या फिर heavy feeling नहीं देता. So yeah, these are my 2 products when it comes to scalp that you definitely need to try. अभी इतना सब तेल लगाया है तो अभी उसको धोना तो पड़ेगा. Now I have got this concoction, this crossbreed duo that has worked so amazingly for my hair. I don't think I want to go back to anything else in a while, because genuinely these 2 products in their own respective ranges work amazing. काफी लोगों ने बोला है, but क्रॉस ब्रीड करके जो मैंने कॉम्बिनेशन निकाला है ना गाइस, मान जाओगे आप भी. Yes, I am talking to you about the BBLUNT Intense and Nourishing Shampoo in conjunction with this beauty right here. This is the L'Oreal Dream Length Conditioner. Now personally speaking, when it comes to BBLUNT, I've had an horrible experience with them. I tried their hair color, absolutely hated it. I actually have a vlog also जो मैं यहाँ पे कहीं पे स्क्रीन पे लिंक करूँगी. But such a terrible experience कि मुझे इनका कोई प्रोडक्ट ट्राई नहीं करना था. मैं डर गई थी मेरे बालों के लिए. But I don't know what got into me. मैंने actually काफ़ी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का इसके बारे में सुना, तो मैंने सोचा चलो ट्राई कर लेते हैं. Now I also have the conditioner that it comes along with, जो मैंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया है, because this duo, this combination is just like oh my god. सॉरी ज़्यादा हो गया, but like I didn't feel like trying इसका कंडीशनर अभी तक. But yeah, this is an intense moisture and hydrating, nourishing and gives amazing shine shampoo. Now honestly जब भी कोई shampoo इतना सब claim करता है ना, I'm like ज़्यादा हो गया, थोड़ा ओवर एक्टिंग का 50 रुपये काट दो जिससे आप मेरा काटोगे अभी. बट आई किड यू नॉट, इससे जो शाइन एंड जो नरिशमेंट मेरे बालों को मिलते हैं, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, मेरे बाल काफ़ी ड्राई है, लाइक स्कैल्प से लेके एंड्स तक सब कुछ मेरे बालों का ड्राई है. सो यू नो दिस genuinely gave my hair a nice intense moisture without weighing it down, because like I told you, I have very fine hair and I can't afford to have something that is nourishing but also weighs down my hair, because what is the point then, right? So I genuinely enjoyed this shampoo and I highly recommend you to give this a try. It also comes at a really good price, but yeah, if you can like try this combo in this conjunction, because even this conditioner on its own is absolutely beautiful. I love the scent on here, and what it does for my hair, it does not weigh down my hair. It nicely nourishes and locks in the moisture that I've gotten from this, and I absolutely love it. And also this is a great clarifying shampoo for me as well, especially when I oil. I like to use this combination. When I've not oiled my hair, I like to use another shampoo and conditioner, but this is particularly what I genuinely want you guys to like get your hands in. This combo, I want you to get your hands. Alright, let me give you a quick breakthrough. I like to oil my hair once, however I like to wash my hair twice a week, which means जब भी एक बार मैं wash करती हूँ तभी मैं oil नहीं लगाती. So on those kind of washes, I like to take care and nourish and give my hair that extra oomph, if I may, by doing a good hair mask. Oh my god, I absolutely love hair masking my hair. That's my favorite part, and the hair mask that I'm really in love with and I highly want you to get your hands on is the Schwarzkopf Spa hair mask. Oh my god, it is so freaking huge. I wish I had kept it on me, but I ran out of it and I just threw it away because I forgot I'm now an influencer. But yeah, oh my god, that hair mask, it's just absolutely phenomenal. Again, it's something that adds a lot of nourishment and hydration without weighing down my hair, and also literally gives a spa-like feel to my hair. So I definitely look forward to getting it again. That's something I just cannot literally imagine my life without. Now let's talk about how to take care of our hair after we have washed our hair. Now it is very important to use a heat protecting mist, and the one that I'm genuinely digging so far and I feel is working very well for me is this beauty right here. This is the Toni heat protecting mist, and oh my god, I genuinely feel a difference with this, because first of all it smells really nice and I am having less breakage in my hair. My hair doesn't smell funky or like burnt type, and I've used it for a really long time, and it's safe to say that it is really protecting my hair from all of the heating, styling and blow drying that I'm really getting myself into. I've recently got the blow brush and it's addictive. It's really addictive, and like even today I gave myself like a nice blowout with the brush, and every time I think of doing anything with my heating tools, I do not do it without this. And with the amount of heat that I've used on my hair this season, I'm surprised how my hair has not fallen apart, and I genuinely feel, apart from all things I'm doing, this beauty right here has a really big role to play. So if you are looking out for a really good heat mist or a heat protecting spray, then get your hands on this. Followed by which I like to go ahead and use this baby right here. Now this is an OG but a goodie. It's a classic L'Oreal Dream Length Serum. This went viral everywhere and the mothers were talking about it. All the influencers did the paid promotions, and it was for a good cause, because genuinely, I kid you not, this is absolutely amazing. At the same time, I also love using this baby right here. I have bottles of this. This, if you haven't tried, I don't know what you are doing. But if you had to choose between the one, go for this. Oh, by the way, I didn't tell you what this is. This is the TRESemme Bond Repairing Hair Serum. This is a dupe for the Olaplex number 5. That is how good this is. It's absolutely amazing. I literally use this every single day, and by that I mean I use it on my damp hair. So I take a full pump of this and a little bit of this, make a nice concoction in my hand, and then just apply it all over while my hair is wet. Once my hair is dry, I again like to go ahead with this, because it adds such a beautiful shine to my hair. This adds nourishment, this adds shine. That's the difference. So I then like to go in again And literally after that, second day, third day, fourth day, I would literally every night before I go to bed take few drops of this, rub it nicely between my palms and just run my hair through my hands, and I kid you not, I have seen such a major difference in the strength of my bond. And I have gone through bottles. Every month I go with one bottle at least, because that is how much I use this. I genuinely feel it works for the strengthening of the bond and the whole bond repair concept. Let me know if you want me to do a bond care routine, if I must, because genuinely breakage is an extremely common problem. Sometimes it's not that your hair is not growing out, it is growing out, but it is not, the elasticity in it is getting loosened, and as a result it's breaking off. So yes, if you want me to introduce to you more bond repairing products, I would be more than happy. But this, you guys, this is an absolute beauty. I cannot imagine my life without it. Like literally every night, few drops, hair मध्ये आणि done, झालं. It is just amazing. Wow, I'm getting very hyper and intense because the fact that people don't know about this product and haven't used it, वाला कसं तरी होता है. So yeah, please. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो गया, but yeah, please get your hands on the TRESemme Bond Repair Serum. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. I really hope these products work as well for you as they did for me. And also, if you know अगर किसी को इस वीडियो से हेल्प हो सकती है आपके फ्रेंड्स फैमिली में, तो प्लीज़ इसको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स पे शेयर ज़रूर कर दीजिए. आई रियली होप टू ग्रो आवर कम्युनिटी. While you do that, बिल्कुल मत भूलना सब्सक्राइब खुद करने को. So hit on the red button so that you are updated every time I'm online, and also click on the bell notification. And yes, अगर आपको मेरे हर दिन की दिनचर्या जाननी है तो आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हो, जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy. Have a really nice day and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.